At Schleifenbauer, we design and build everything in-house, from electronic design and metalwork to assembly, testing, and even the software. Every step happens under one roof, here in the Netherlands. This approach gives us complete control over quality, precision, and innovation. Components are locally sourced. We know how every detail in our product is made and why it performs the way it does. What you see here is our production process. Every detail is carefully engineered to create power distribution units that are not only reliable, but also sustainable, built to last and designed for the data centers of tomorrow. The result of this dedication is our latest generation, PDU 5.0, a product fully developed by Schleifenbauer, combining smarter measurements, greater flexibility, and seamless integration. It's more than just hardware, it's the next step in intelligent energy management, helping data centers operate more efficiently, with lower costs and a smaller footprint.